How to add name on Subway Surfers. So if you want to add name on your Subway Surfers, then what you need to do is first you need to open up the application. Now, once you open the application, just wait for a few seconds till it loads. Now you need to enter your age. So I've just downloaded the application. Go with confirm. And now you can go with settings, which is on the upper right. And you can connect with your Play Games, or you can connect with your Facebook. Now, if you don't have name on your Subway Surfers, then to add name, what you can do is tap on connect with Facebook. And once you connect with your Facebook, then whatever name you have on your Facebook will be added to your Subway Surfers. So here it says that you need to continue as your Facebook name. So you just need to simply tap on continue as. And once you continue, then your name and your profile picture, your friend list will all be added to your Subway Surfers, and Subway Surfers will request the access. You need to simply give the access, go with continue, and once you've continued, then your name will be added. So that's how you can add your name on your Subway Surfers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.